Okay, I'm going to tell you about the phases of an ice cube, like the different phases. Okay, so first it starts off as an ice cube, which would be the solid phase, which means that this is the molecules, and so this is like how the energy is in a solid. So this is the energy in a solid. So they're much closer, and they have more space to move around in. And meaning that they can, so that they're like close and tight. So then because that's why they stay one form. They cannot change shape. They stay one shape. So then after the ice has melted, it goes into the liquid phase. And the liquid phase, this is the water. The liquid phase has more energy than a solid phase, but it still is quite a bit. So this has a decided volume, but it can change around in its shape. Whatever it's put into, that will be its shape. So when after that comes one of the last phases. Well, there's a phase called plasma, but there's nothing like that I know of. So after that comes steam. So the steam phase the steam happens when the liquid has vaporized. So vaporized would be when it reaches a specific temperature, it will start to disappear and evaporate into the air. So in gas, the hydrogen is it has much more energy, and it has more space to move around in. So this doesn't have a decided shape or volume. It can be any shape or any volume. So this is the gas. Like, this is one way to show it. And then a way to go back from gas to liquid would be condensation. So that would happen, for example, when the gas reaches a colder temperature, which cools it down, which will make it back into water. And that's how rain works. And then from liquid to solid, in this point, like with ice, it would have to reach 0 degrees Celsius. That's the freezing point. But then also 0 degrees Celsius is also the melting point of an ice cube. So here's a little video I made of an ice cube melting in time lapse. So you see, now it's on the phase, so it's still solid, but it's slowly melting. I didn't have enough time, so I didn't get it to go into a gas. But that's about how it looks that is basically how it looks when it's melting. So what happens when it melts is it reaches a specific temperature, making it cool down. Okay, thank you.